Glycis means sugar, lysis means splitting. Splitting of sugar. It takes place in the cytoplasm. It is independent of oxygen. It is a common pathway in both aerobic and anaerobic organisms. The scheme of glycolysis was given by three German scientists, Emden, Meyerhof and Parnas. So it is also known as EMP pathway after their names. Glucose is the chief respiratory substrate. Glucose is a hexose. In this process, glucose undergoes partial oxidation to form two molecules of pyruvic acid. In the first step, phosphorylation, glucose is phosphorylated to glucose 6-phosphate by ATP in the presence of hexokinase enzyme and magnesium ions. Second step, isomerization. Glucose 6-phosphate is converted to its isomer, fructose 6-phosphate, with the help of phosphohexoisomerase enzyme. In the third step, phosphorylation, fructose 6-phosphate is phosphorylated by ATP in the presence of phosphofructokinase enzyme. The product is fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. So glycolysis is also called as hexose diphosphate pathway. Fourth step, cleavage. Fructose 1,6-bisphosphate splits up to form one molecule of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate and one molecule of dihydroxyacetone 3-phosphate, DHAP and G3P. Both contain 3 carbon atoms. Fifth step, isomerization. In this step, DHAP undergoes isomerization to form glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate by triose phosphate isomerase enzyme. Now 2 molecules of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphates undergo further oxidation. Sixth step, first oxidation and phosphorylation. In the presence of glyceraldehyde phosphate isomerase enzyme, 2 molecules of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate undergo dehydrogenation. Means here hydrogens are removed from glyceraldehyde 3-phosphates and they are captured by NAD to form NADH2. In this step, G3P accepts inorganic phosphates from cytoplasm to form 2 molecules of 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate or 1,3-bis-PGA. So this step is non-enzymatic. Here phosphorylation step is non-enzymatic. It is the one and only non-enzymatic reaction in the glycolysis. Seventh step, dephosphorylation or first substrate level phosphorylation. One of the 2 phosphates of 1,3-bis-PGA is transferred to ADP to form 2 molecules of ATP in the presence of phosphoglycerokinase enzyme. Here the direct synthesis of ATP from metabolites is called as substrate level phosphorylation. Eighth step, isomerization. In this step, 3-phosphoglyceric acid is converted to its isomer, 2-phosphoglyceric acid, in the presence of phosphoglyceromutase enzyme. Ninth step, dehydration. With the help of enolase enzyme, here water molecules are removed to form phosphoenol pyruvic acid. 10th step, dephosphorylation or substrate level phosphorylation. From each molecule of phosphoenol pyruvic acid, one phosphate is transferred to ADP This reaction takes place in the presence of pyruvate kinase enzyme. Two molecules of ATPs and two molecules of pyruvic acids are formed in this process. It is also one substrate level phosphorylation. Here one substrate level phosphorylation. In this process, all the reactions are reversible except first reaction and third reaction and the last dephosphorylation reaction. In glycolysis, two ATPs are consumed in the first step and in the third step. In return, 4 ATPs are produced here and in this step also by substrate level phosphorylation. So the net gain of ATP is 2. In aerobic glycolysis, 2 NADH2s enter into the electron transport system and generate 4 ATPs by oxidative phosphorylation. In this step,